Kembali lagi bersama Kreatif Solusi. Hari ini saya akan membagikan tutorial cara mengatasi volume digital di audio yang error atau kadang-kadang langsung besar seperti ini. Naiknya bisa terlihat volume digitalnya mengalami error dan kita bersihkan.
Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad, I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't.
Bisa terlihat volume naik secara normal dengan sedikit strip dia naik dan normal. Saya coba pasang kembali, tutup volumenya. Sekarang kita cek sound. Alhamdulillah sudah 100% normal. Terima kasih sudah menonton. Mantap, berhasil. Yang lain normal. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, dan komen. Terima kasih dan sampai jumpa lagi.
This is special for DJ remix.